Say goodbye to distractions and connectivity issues as you study. No more sharing or waiting for a device as you now get your very own personal study device. Introducing a brand new offering from Aakash. Now you can enjoy a more personalized learning experience that goes beyond the classroom. Aakash, hybrid course with a tablet and SIM card, is cost-effective and hassle-free learning solution for you that is a win-win. The tablet is wrapped in a tamper-proof cover bag to ensure that it is protected. Your tablet and SIM card come in a sturdy box ensuring maximum safety. The Aakash branding and overall packaging gives it a nice premium look. Let's get ready for a seamless learning experience on this Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 10-inch. The tablet comes with a charger, USB cable, a SIM ejector tool, and a quick start guide. The SIM card is pre-activated with a 4G plan. You also get a step-by-step guide that will help you navigate through and help you with support-related queries. The tablet is preloaded with 4 apps that you will need as you study. They are MS Team to view live classes. You can use the MS app to attend live classes from the comfort and safety of your home. iTutor to view recorded video lectures. NEET JEE Challenger app for NEET and JEE previous year's papers. My Aakash Classroom for non-academic information and support. Start preparing online today using the tablet and transfer to the classroom later at no additional cost.